Hi, and welcome to Voiro. Voiro is a product for monetization teams that makes it easy for owners of digital ad inventory to manage their sales, ad operations, and revenue all from a single window. At Voiro's core is our operations management system, which connects directly to your ad server and gives your ad operations teams quick, automated workflows to create, flight, and monitor campaigns. Voiro's sales module is an easy-to-use CRM, tailored specifically for media companies. It's fully functional out of the box and lets your sales teams be effective and analytical without needing to invest in full-scale, expensive CRM systems. Finally, our finance and reconciliation module keeps track of all your revenue in real time, making sure that you have billing-ready data at your fingertips and saving your billing teams hours every month. Voiro's platform is built to handle your revenue data, and we give you the dashboards and insights to let you manage your business effectively. From basic revenue tracking to campaign monitoring, to alerting you to at-risk revenue, access all the numbers at your fingertips, updated in real time. We'll handle the complexity of your business while you focus on growing it. Voiro is trusted by India's largest media companies in the OTT, e-commerce, and telecom spaces. If you're a media business that's focused on growth, talk to us today.